Welcome to the Heineken Brewery in Itu, São Paulo, a cornerstone of Heineken's operations in Brazil. Established in 1939 as Schincariol, this facility has evolved into a modern brewing hub. Originally founded as Schincariol, the brewery became part of the Kirin Holdings in 2011 and was later acquired by Heineken in 2017, marking a significant expansion of Heineken's footprint in Brazil. The Itu Brewery contributes to Heineken's substantial production in Brazil, which surged from 20 million to 50 million hectoliters following the acquisition of Brazil Kirin. In 2019, Heineken inaugurated a new corporate office in Itu, designed with open spaces, themed meeting rooms, and a dedicated training center known as Universidade Heineken, fostering innovation and collaboration. Adjacent to the brewery, Heineken has embarked on a regenerative agriculture project, cultivating organic lemons on over 800 hectares. This initiative supports water resilience and carbon sequestration efforts. The Heineken Brewery in Itu stands as a testament to the company's commitment to quality, sustainability, and community engagement in Brazil. Thanks for flying with us over one of Brazil's brewing powerhouses. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone explorations.